Let's say they give you this equation and they want you to find the derivative of f of x. Would you be able to solve? If not, continue watching this video. So to start off, the derivative of f of x can be written as follows, where d dx just represents what we're taking the derivative of. We're taking the derivative with respect to the variable x. We can plug in the expression for f of x here. We distribute the derivative d dx to each term. We can get it in this form here. To compute these derivatives, we need to know the derivative of a power rule, which in general, a derivative of a power can be written like this, where we're taking the derivative with respect to x of x to the n, where n is just some random number. That's just equal to n x n minus 1. So what actually happens here? Stepwise, we can look at it here. We bring the n down. So we bring the exponent down, and then we subtract 1 from the exponent, and we get the expression. So we can apply this to our situation here, just labeling each term 1, 2, 3, 4. We can start with the fourth term here, d dx of negative 33. That's going to be equal to 0 because a derivative of a constant is always 0. And then if we look at the third term, d dx of x, that's just the same as d dx x to the 1. We bring down the 1, and then we subtract 1 from the exponent, and then we get this, and x to the 0 is just equal to 1, so we get 1 for that. And the second term here, we can bring down to 2, subtract 1 from the 2. We can do this simple multiplication. 2 times negative 4 equals negative 8. So we get this for the answer for that term. For our first term, we just bring down to 3 and then subtract 1 from 3 and we get 2. And then 3 times 2 equals 6. So we get 6x squared for that. Plug that all in and we get this for the final answer. So this is going to be the derivative for our function, which was this here.